Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to see liked posts on Instagram. What you want to do guys, you want to open your Instagram account of course, and then at the very bottom right you can find here your profile picture. You want to click it. Now you are on your profile. So if you want to find liked posts that you have liked in the past and you want to find them, all you have to do guys is click three lines in the top right. And after that, you want to click your activity. The second option, you want to click your activity. And after that, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on interactions. You can find here the third option. There are a few different options that come up. You want to click on interactions, like I said. Now you want to click on likes. If you want to see story replies that you have left for people, or reviews or comments, the old comments, you can just click on comments. But if you want to see liked, only liked posts, you want to click on likes, and here you will find all the likes that you have liked. Like this, I have liked one of these. So like I said guys, it's very easy and simple. All you have to do guys is go to likes and you will find all the liked posts. Please help me reach 10 subscribers this year.